Information about Arbutus menziesii. Arbutus menziesii, also known as Pacific Madrone or Madrona, is a species of evergreen tree native to the western coastal regions of North America, from British Columbia, Canada to California, United States. Here are some key characteristics of Arbutus menziesii. Size: the tree can grow up to 30 meters, 100 feet, tall and 60 centimeters, 24 inches, in diameter. Leaves: the leaves of Arbutus menziesii are dark green, glossy, and oval-shaped with serrated edges. They are around 7 to 15 centimeters, 2.8 to 5.9 inches, long. Bark: the bark of the tree is smooth and reddish-brown when young, but becomes thick and deeply furrowed as the tree ages. Flowers: Arbutus menziesii produces small, bell-shaped white, or pinkish flowers that bloom in clusters from May to July. Fruit: the tree produces round, orange-red berries that are about 1 centimeter, 0.4 inches, in diameter. The fruit is edible, but can be quite dry and mealy. Arbutus menziesii is a slow-growing tree that prefers well-drained soils and can tolerate some drought. It is commonly used as an ornamental tree in parks and gardens due to its attractive bark and foliage. The wood of the tree is hard and durable, but not commonly used for lumber due to its small size and tendency to grow in twisted shapes. The tree also has cultural significance for many indigenous communities in the Pacific Northwest region.